Here's a new one. What's up? Well, today we're going to be changing the clutch on this 14R. We got our new clutch pack from EBC. This is just the friction plates. You can get just like the metal plates too. We're just doing clutch plates because the metal's probably good. Okay, firstly we're going to go to amphibiousports.com. And we've already logged in and we have a service manual subscription here, so we should get access to all their service manuals. And scroll down to motorcycle and Kawasaki and ZX14 right there at the bottom. So we've already logged in here before, so it will actually bring up exactly where we were already, which is in the clutch section. But some of these manuals have the contents bar here right on the side, so it's really easy to find. Go to, there it is, the clutch, and we're going to do the clutch removal and installation right here. So these are the instructions that we'll be following. Step 1, drain the oil.
Jack Jeffrey!
Go. Okay. Now we're going to take the clutch spring plate off. I feel like motorcycle clutch jobs are probably one of the most overrated jobs to do because they're actually very easy. So make sure you're keeping everything in order. If you know it was assembled right the first time, as far as the bearings and washers and stuff in here. Obviously, if you don't know that it was assembled right, if you're having problems, then you're going to want to look at a parts diagram manual anyways. So these are the plates we're replacing. So we'll go ahead and just get them all out. That's pretty much it. We're just pulling these plates out and putting new ones in. To remove the whole clutch basket, it's obviously a little more labor intensive. There's a special tool to hold everything in place, or if you have a big impact like this from Harbor Freight, you won't have to hold it in place because it's so much torque so fast, you'll just bust that nut loose. Okay, and there is a little spring washer back there, if you can see it. That's going to stay there, obviously. So, yeah, pretty much on every clutch, it's going to go friction plate, clutch plate, just, every other one. As you can see, there's a thicker friction plate up front. We might count them and verify. Actually, we'll verify when we put the new one on. A lot of people recommend soaking the clutch in oil. Really overnight, or maybe a couple hours before you do the install. That's just to saturate the friction plates so that they don't wear as quickly. If you don't, it's not detrimental, but you probably will see a little excessive wear on first use. Just a quick look at how the basic fundamentals of a motorcycle clutch. You've got your outside clutch basket that is connected to the ears of the friction plate. That is turning with the engine. That is mechanically connected to the crankshaft, so that is always turning. And then you've got the inside teeth of these clutch plates is mechanically connected to the transmission. It's like your input shaft of a car on the transmission. So when these move, that moves your transmission. So it's very simple. Obviously, when there's no
friction, when there's no weight or force compressing these, then these metal plates can spin freely through the friction plates. And then when you let your clutch out, that engages, that allows these springs to compress this plate on the whole assembly, and therefore causes them to connect. Now, if it's in neutral, obviously your wheel's not going to turn, but yeah, that's kind of the basic operation of a motorcycle clutch. So I'll go ahead and stick these in. I'm probably just going to do it one by one, actually, instead of trying to line everything up. Alright. Spring plate's all torqued down, clutch is done. Just put your cover on and add some oil and we'll be good to go.